Hi, boys and girls. It is the creator of Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. And I have some good ones for you today. I have The Little Golden Book, The Happy Man and His Dump Truck, and Goodnight Dump Truck. This book is from 1950. Once upon a time, there was a man who had a dump truck. Every time he saw a friend, he would wave his hand and tip the dumper. One day, he was riding in his dump truck, singing a happy song, when he met a pig going along the road. "Would you like to ride in my dump truck?" he asked. "Oh, thank you," said the pig, and he climbed into the back of the truck. After they had gone a little way down the road, the man saw a friend. He waved his hand and tipped the dumper. "Whee!" said the pig. "What fun!" And he slid all the way down to the bottom of the dumper. Very soon they came to a farm. "Here is where my friends live," said the pig. "You have a nice dump truck. Would you please let my friends see your truck?" "I will give them a ride in my dump truck," said the man. So the hen and the rooster climbed into the truck, and the duck climbed into the truck. And the dog and the cat climbed into the truck, and the pig climbed back into the truck too. And the man closed the tailgate so they would not fall out. And then off they went. They went past the farm, and all the animals waved to the farmer. The man was very happy. They are all my friends," he said. So he waved his hand and tipped the dumper. Then the hen, the rooster, the duck, the dog, the cat, and the pig all slid down the dumper into a big heap. The animals were all so happy. Then the man took them for a long ride and drove them back to the farm. He opened the tailgate wide and raised the dumper all the way up. All the animals slid off the truck onto the ground. "What a fine sliding board," they all said. "Thank you," said all the animals. "Chuck-a-chuck," clucked the hen. "Cock-a-doodle-doo," the rooster crowed. "Quack, quack," quacked the duck. "Bow wow," barked the dog. "Meow," meowed the cat. And the pig let out a great big grunt. "Oink, oink." The man waved his hand and tipped the dumper, and he drove off in his dump truck singing a happy song. And that is the end of The Happy Man and His Dump Truck. Little golden book. Isn't that cute? And up for our second book, boys and girls. I do not own the rights to these books that I am reading to you, but I'm loving some storytelling magic right here today. Good night, Dump Truck. Good morning, big trucks. Ready to move earth and clay? Are we ready to share a wonderful day? Good morning, hardy machine operators. Hello, mighty bulldozer moving tons of earth. My tongue got a little tied there, boys and girls, but I untied it very quickly. Hello, excavators digging in the dirt. Harvest that wheat for all to eat. Combine harvester. Howdy, farmers. Some trucks are used on farms to carry delicious foods like watermelons. Good afternoon, paver laying new asphalt on the road. Greetings, grapple skidder lifting giant logs in the forest. It's nice to see you, cement mixer, pouring the foundation of a new home. Hi there, mechanic. Have you ever seen a tire as big as that? Hello, crane and giant balls smashing that old building to pieces. Wow, there's so much going on at the construction site. Here comes a super dump truck. It carries tons of weight. Sometimes big trucks need to ride on a low boy. Go, wheel trencher, cutting through the earth so we can lay pipes and wires in the ground. Let's watch the suction excavator pull dirt out from the bottom of a deep hole. Good evening, giant machines and trucks digging in a gold mine. Good evening, all-wheel drive haulers. You love to go off-roading. Good night, snowcats grooming the skeet trails. Good night, snowplows helping to keep the winter roads safe while we sleep. Good night, hard-working dump trucks and amazing machines. Thank you for sharing a wonderful day. And that is the end of Good Night, Dump Truck. And I especially love the part where he's sleeping with his arms wrapped around his favorite dump truck. Boys and girls, it is Bored with Miss Reynolds, better off reading every day. I do not own the rights to these books that I have read to you and these toys that I am playing with you, but I love storytelling magic, and the magic of today is, here I am with one of my favorite trucks right here. These are one of my toys that I bring in for the kids to play with. This is one of these Tonkas. Are you familiar with those? Are you? They are fun. Tonka Truck. They've been around for as long as I could remember. And I wanted to share it with you. Do you get to play with trucks ever? I like to play with trucks as much as I like to play with cars and dolls and cooking and dress up. I just like toys. And I especially love socks that go with toys. See that? I wore this for one of my other books, and now I just have it so I can just have fun fooling around and playing dump trucks with you. See you soon, boys and girls. Bye.